Hi, my name is Linda Ikechukwu, and I'm a developer advocate at Smallstep Labs. That means that part of my job is to make sure that you have all the information you need to make the most of our platform. Now, today I'm here to show you our recently launched search and filter features. You heard that right. Our certificate manager and SSH professional dashboards now have search and filter. Ta-da! So now you no longer have to painfully sift through several pages to find a specific certificate or endpoint. How cool is that? Well, I won't be doing this demo myself because there's no better person to demo a future than the engineer who built the future. So sometime during this week, I caught up with Farhan, who is a senior software engineer here at Smallstep Labs. And together, we'll be showing you every single thing that you can do with the new search and filter features. So let's jump into it. See you there.
Okay, so on endpoints page, you can search endpoints by its name, something like this. And there are different types of filters for endpoints, such as type. There are two types of certificates, so there are two types of endpoints, X509 SSH, and there are status. This one is the important filter. You can filter endpoints by status, active or expired. And let's say if you want to add multiple filters, so you have list of authorities available over here, and you can add multiple authorities, something like this. Okay, so this are the basic filters, and other than that, we have a start date and end date filter, which takes date from to do. So by default, it's from any time to infinity time, and same with the end date. So let's say if you want to filter an endpoint, I need to clear these filters first. If you want to filter that which is started just today, so we can pick today's date. We can pick time as well. Let's say 12 and today's date and time. So this is the only one endpoint which was started today. So that's how this date filter works. The next page is certificates. Certificates has also same types of filters, but we don't provide search over here because search can be very expensive. It's an expensive query, and we cannot. We don't want user to wait and wait for longer period of time when we are searching for some results. So we have provided filters over here, but not search. The same way you can search using active or expired certificates. You can also apply multiple authorities over here. And also these authorities are also searchable. Let's say, yeah, so this is dynamic list. You can add as many authorities as you want. And also there is a similar issued and expiration date filter for certificates. So if I want to check expired certificate, I will add some date over here. Let's say start is just this and expired date. Okay, so there are no filters doesn't match, so no records found. And there is a clear filters button over here. You can clear all the filters and get back to default state. That was certificates page.
Does that work for SSH certificates too? Like you can search.
Yes, it's same. It's same filter, same types of filter for SSH as well. Status. Let's see. Okay, there are no active certificates, so all are expired. So in this list, so no need to search for that. type, yeah, so there are two types of SSL certificate. Either it can be by host or by user. No host, let's pick the user. And same here, you can select multiple authorities. Same issued and expiration date filter over here. Okay, in SSH, we have filters and search component available across all these pages, sessions, host, and users. So let's say if you want to search session by username, you can just type username. So this all sessions are filtered by username. And also you can search by host name as well. Let me try to copy this. And okay. Then you can filter sessions by active and ended. So basically, if session is active, it will be a green dot over here. That will be active session. Right now, all the sessions are ended. If we choose active, okay, there are few sessions which are active right now. Okay, so, and let's choose a user. Let's say I want to choose car. And yeah, you can also filter by start date and end date. Let's say, okay, all the start dates are 2 years ago. The duration was very long.
That makes
Uh,
sense.
Yeah, you need to go 2 years back to filter this data. Okay, so let's do clear filters. And I just want to show you the started end date. So let's pick whatever started from 13th December today. Yeah, so this is how start date filter works. The next page is hosts. So in host page, we provide search and filter again, and you can search using host name. And as you can see with host, each host, there are multiple tags available. So you can search host by tags as well. So let's say if I want to search for staging is equal to dev, so I can go and write stage. Okay, it doesn't work like that. Okay, maybe I can just search using either by key value or by key or by value. That's the limitation of search. But here in filter, you will get the stage and tags option. Okay, search like this. Okay, stage is equal to dev, and here you go. So all these hosts are now filtered by particular tag. Also, there are two types of host. It can be Bastion and non-Bastion. So let's choose one of the filter. And registered date is also available over here. So let's pick. I want to filter from 1st January till now. Okay, so this is how you can filter, and yeah, you can remove a single filter as well. And also, if you want to remove multiple filters, there is clear filter button available. If the next page is users page, here you can search either by username or name and email as well. Let's search for Linda if it's available. Yes. You can search by email as well. Yeah, here you go. And each user can be in multiple groups. So you can choose group as well from here. Same in groups page. You can search either by name or you can filter by host grants, which is equal to the tags which I have shown you in host page. So it's like this. Yeah. Yeah. That's all filters in search across certificate manager and SSH.
That's great. Thank you.